Streaming, 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 streaming. I think we are streaming now. And I'm trying to get my voice a bit lower so everyone thinks I'm more deep than I am. Oh, here's the camera. So streaming, streaming, streaming. I think that's good. So we are ready to start. I don't know why I'm still waiting to, open VS Code, because everyone expects me to, obviously, to show some code, some vibe, and some code, and some AI. Oh, better. If you're actually, if you are worried about my haircut, because I am actually, I'm just thinking every day that's kind of shit, and I should have cut it like a couple of weeks ago before Christmas. Then I will go to the hairdresser on Wednesday, so I will look way better. So, but that's just a tiny thing. I hope you don't mind me with messy hair. What's the reason for me to start this one? I mean, I have to fix my Google Analytics. Okay, let's do analytics and let's start. I have like an hour and a half. Start with analytics. Then I will test. Then register a user with payment. With real payment, shit. Maybe I should do payments also, like a plan for $1. Although I will get that money back. I mean, most of it. Okay, let's just do a payment. Let's just waste some money. I mean, no. I mean, let's invest money into testing, and then register user with payment, and then I think I'm ready. Then we can try AdWords. And start praying for, like, I actually have to start making also, like, I will start doing AdWords alongside with doing those videos promoting it, and Kuba is trying to distract me. Tak, właśnie kupuję taki. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Kuba, stop distracting me. He's talking about cameras and gimbals and, tech, and I absolutely can talk about this all day. I have actually way too much stuff. I just bought this on Temu for like $5, and it's like it's a pretty good lamp actually. It's like a small, I can plug it into power bank or laptop, and it works great. Everything now is so great. Like, technology now is like so cheap. You can, like, for most of the stuff, you could go, you could work with things. I mean, like, if I needed the kit now, like full kit I wouldn't spend more than like $200, even less actually. Like, for example, like other day I was recording this video outside. I was recording this video outside, this one. Like it was windy a bit, and obviously outside, so it's always harder. And I had this like microphone that I bought on Temu. microphone. It's like a mobile phone microphone. Like really, it's like Bluetooth microphone, and I bought 2 of them so I can do podcasts. I bought something like this, you know. This is in zlotys, which is $4 basically. And I use this mic, or like, oh, this is mine look like those. So this is even cheaper. I know, maybe this is not mic. But this is such a good tech for almost nothing. Like, yeah, mine look like this actually. Maybe that's yeah, I think that's the same model as I have. Yeah, just this. Although instead of a jack, I have the USB-C, so it connects directly to my phone, and it works. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I might buy another one. Oh, this is actually, I wish mine had like the, you know, that how much it's charged, how much charge it has. So maybe like if I decide to buy another pair, I will buy one of those. And then outside of that, it's great. Everything is working perfectly. This stuff is so good. Okay, back to my oh yeah, music. I would almost forget about my singing ladies. Yeah, okay. Bread and stuff. Obviously, everyone loves some bread. It's actually quite quiet. It's like, oh, okay, I have it quiet here. Okay. Right? Okay, you can hear. Oh, okay, so let's just do it this way. And make it a bit less. Oh, okay, Imagine that I just realized that when I make it louder here, it doesn't matter because like in OBS, we have a setting for microphone. Some people were complaining that I'm actually, like, the music is too loud. But it wasn't too loud to me, because for me, I had like 40% or something. And here I was even giving more than like 40%, like more than half. And then I was playing it a bit louder. So see, I just realized how the technology of sound and audio works, you know. Oh, she's jealous. You can see that she's jealous. Although she will get the boy in the end. And like she likes him because he's actually wealthy. And there was a better looking guy that liked her more, but she's into the rich guy. And I'm not saying it's typical women, because they are, you know, that's not always. Yeah, okay, so that's the wealthy guy, and she wants to get the wealthy guy. Back to analytics. Let's see if my analytics actually work, because I tried like twice already. Analytics, Google Analytics web. And sometimes this is funny because it kind of redirects you to wrong service. Okay, so it's not working still. Get tagging instructions. No data received in last 24 hours. Okay, let's just do a bare minimum, the quickest, dirtiest way of getting this working, which is just installing the tag. And let's go to my what I want it for is actually, you know, to know how many people go into the site and how many click the button. So this will be useful later. It's not really crucial, but I think that's something that I would like to have. So let's go to index. I think index or main. I think it's index HTML, and I actually installed like tag manager, but this doesn't seem to work. Okay. Ooh, okay, so maybe do I need like Google Tag Manager? Okay. I wonder if I just run it here. Yarn start. Okay, pnpm start. Yeah, obviously I didn't install the yarn. Oh! Where's my yarn? Like, where's my missing script? pnpm dev. pnpm dev, because that's obviously a Vite project, not like, oh yeah, Recently I was on the interview and someone was asking me about Vite. Like, do I know Vite? How much do you need to know Vite actually? Like, like this is running. This is running. Like sometimes, like I don't know. Like people are asking about those stupid things that are really not that necessary to know. Like, okay, if you know Vite, it means probably that you can actually put a couple of more libraries here. But this is something you can read about if you really need it. So like in this case, I have Tailwind, and it's obviously React. And I don't really have many more. Like this, what else is to know here? Like, why would you ask question? Do you know Vite? Do you know? I don't know. Do you know how to open text editor? I think they should ask me as well. But this would just not make sense. Obviously, yeah, you can set up aliases. That's nice thing about Vite. So that's one thing to know. But there's very limited things you can know about Vite. And like, I don't know if I would even ask people, like, do you know Vite? Why does it matter to you? Like, why does knowing Vite is actually so important? Because it's just like, just running my project. Like, that's not really that such a complex technology if you think of it. But like the thing is, like, the more you are in the software development, you are realizing that, oh yeah, they're asking about some really um, really obvious stuff often, like, do you know this? And then when you don't know, it sounds scary, but then when you know it, it turns out that it was actually quite trivial often, and like the complexity of our IT projects are not from like complex technology, like extremely complex technology. It's about combining too many simple technologies. So it's mostly simple things, but if you actually add too many of those, then the complexity rises. But if you actually look at HTML, there's about 20 tags that you need to know, and the rest of them you can Google. And when it comes to Vite, like probably there is about half an hour, like maybe hour of learning knowledge that is necessary for you to actually say that you know Vite. So like, what's 1 hour of actually your actual work? You don't really need to know that much more. Like you will learn a lot if you just read the documentation for an hour. And you can say, yeah, I know Vite, but like, why would you ask that question? Oh yeah, oh, the laundry ladies. I always get distracted. Although I shouldn't play this song because then I get like strikes. They actually, yeah. Then my videos are flagged, and I can actually show you. Whoever is actually watching, because I see that there's no concurrent viewers according to my software, but often it's lying to me. And it's incorrect. And this number is quickly, wow, this, like, I'm getting new records now. Yesterday I got 24 subscribers, which is my new highest in a day. Uh, but what was I showing? What was I going to show? I don't know. I'm really into this YouTube stuff, so I like it. Oh yeah. When I actually have live, I get copyright strikes, and I have to go to it and take action, and then like YouTube is smart enough to raise my song. I hope it's not hurting my channel if I do it too often, but I do it all the time. Oh, there's this yeah, this band that is due to, because I was playing it, it's flagging it. So probably this one will be flagged as well because I'm playing this song. Yeah. Okay, just just a topic to talk, so I don't work on analytics. Yes, let's reset. Okay, your Google tag wasn't detected. Fastpack. No, not Fastpack. Oof. Okay, I didn't. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, that's why. Where's my tags? Pattern market, image upload. So okay. So what tag did I install? Maybe I installed wrong tag. Oh yeah, Planero. Okay, Planero. This one. Okay, so we have tag, and can we? Okay, let's submit. Oh, maybe that's the one. Publish and create a version. Create a version. Planero version 1. And description, is this the, I don't know what this version is actually, I don't know. Okay, so that will be tags version 1. Yeah, okay. Wonder if this will actually tags v1, yeah? Planero. I don't know if it matters. Let's publish this one. Welcome, one concurrent viewer. Okay, I will have 5 variables. This is actually like I'm setting up Google Analytics. If you've never done it, it's very simple. But if you've never done it, it will actually sound scary. But it's actually less scary than you think, unless you know it actually. So then you know that it's simple. Okay, so I seem to have a version empty container. Okay, I have some version of tags. Okay, so probably that's not what I should worry about. Okay, but those tags, yeah, submit. Okay, now it's submitted preview. What the hell is, okay, so I actually, it redirected me to, yeah, connect. Yeah. Are we, yeah, we did that already. Continue. Dude, we did that already. So why are you trying to, why are you saying not connected? But you just connected. You just said you connected. Yeah, okay. Refresh. Connect. Come on, you just said you're connected. Yeah, Tag Assistant connected. Debug information for page is visible on Tag Assistant window. Yeah. Finish. Connected. You said connected here, and you say here not connected. This is not AI, and it's such a liar, actually. Tags fired. Free. Okay. Window loaded. So it's, I don't know. I mean, it's such a weird system. You're connected. Yeah, why again? Like, I know you are. We both, like, I have people on the stream seeing that you're actually, here are saying not connected, then there you are saying connected. Which one can I trust? Which version of reality can I trust then? Okay, so let's try to do Google Analytics. We are not in Fastpack, obviously. Recent. Oh yeah, Planero. Okay, so Planero. Websites, Planero. But it's redirecting me to Tag Manager. I want to see my statistics, because if it's connected, and I expect it to be connected, yes. Versions. Version 2 is live. Okay, yeah, there is something live, okay. Tags 4. Okay, let's just click on one and see if, not here. Planero. See, I said it's very simple, and then it's actually not simple. According, like, I'm just pressing this. Okay, I didn't deploy version, did I? Okay. Did I not deploy production? Push. Okay, because this should, okay, it's taking the username match, eh? Okay, here it should remember URL. So again, this doesn't work, but like, that's okay. Let's forget about this part. I will actually make it work later. Because I'm, yeah, okay. Exit. Analytics. Yeah, okay. Here. How do I get to Planero? I'm on different project, and it's a project that I use. Oh, okay. I think we are. Are we in Plan? No, this is Fastpack. Recent. Let's just flag this one as a favorite. So this will be my favorite now. This one is an unfavorite. Oh, come on. Why do you... Because I want to stay in analytics. Okay. This the okay. My preferences. Let's see if I. Oh. Hi there, Messias Castro. I've seen you before. I've seen this person before. Yeah, you were here before, yeah. Yes, you. There is a history of us. I'm Angolan, 18 years old. Oh, okay, so you're the guy who wanted me to speak, but also an experience translate. Yeah, I don't really get the translation stuff. Back then, I hope today I will be more smart than last time. Monero. Tag manager. Why the hell do you redirect me? Yeah. I want to see statistics for this one. Okay, so maybe I actually prematurely said that it's easy. And it's not, maybe. Okay, what's this? 4 minutes ago in Poland. On what? You're not on Fastback, do you? Insights. Basic performance. Let's see reports. Real-time overview. Okay, it's probably me. Yes, but which does it says first visit? Session start. I think we do have this analytics. Okay, I think that's the one, but for some reason it says here Fastback G4A. Okay, but maybe it's on Panera. Oh, that tag manager. Shit, I shouldn't press this. Explore. Yeah, I think I'm in the right place in there. Wanna work for you? Okay, so like, how can you work for me? That's cool. You can work for me, but like, what do you want to do? How you like? You have to tell me what you can do for me. What can you do for me? Because you know, as much as I want people to work for me, obviously, the more people work for me, the richer I become, or at least the richer I can pretend to be. I can always say there is a guy working for me in Angola. Oh yeah, number 1, Planero, simplified delivery. Good. What about the tags actually? Okay. Yeah, let's just no conversions. Start tour. Okay, no. Let's not try to learn this stuff. I don't think it's actually necessary for me now. Is music good? Is it not too good? Sorry, not too loud. Okay. So okay, I think I do have it set up, and I do have it working. For some reason, it's showing wrong site or wrong something. It's a Fastback. It's like a project that I used to work on, and I don't really see data anymore. And some guys took it and they didn't back it up, and now it's not recoverable. I mean, it's working, but they can't amend it. Yeah. Account details. Okay, I don't know. Reports and explore. Blank. Okay, that's probably exploration. Real-time overview. But there is someone there, obviously, so it's me. Or am I? Yeah, I am on the other tab. I think. No, I'm not on the other tab. Okay, so there was me a couple of minutes ago, and let's just do it again. Planner. Online. Okay, so probably it's gonna show that I'm here. Yes. It's gonna show. Yeah, there's someone there. Active users. Okay, all users. Okay, so we have data about that people came in. And I don't know if it's collecting data on me clicking stuff. That doesn't matter that much. I will see that people paid. Yeah. I think that's fine. What can you do for me, my friend? Oh, I should actually be posting stuff. Like, you know, I'm streaming now. Come here. Come to my stream, babies. Ooh. 89. This is changing every time I'm actually visiting. Streaming. Come. And join me. Post. Yeah, come and join me. My lovely babies. This one is live. Good. So actually, like, I'm thinking here I'm ready. The last bit I want to do is test entire flow for the last freaking time and see that everything works. And pay. I think I will pay to myself. I mean, it will cost me. Do you have portfolio, my friend? Do you? Yeah, I know you're ongoing. Good. You have a portfolio. Do you know WordPress? Yeah. So for example, in WordPress, I have a website which I could give away to someone, maybe. But then, like, the problem is that, you know, it's in Polish, so probably I wouldn't be able to give it away. So, yeah, I have this website for my wife, and this is my wife, which is using payments, you know. Oh, and this needs fixing. And I think there's this typo somewhere here. Yeah, so basically there's this website, but like the thing is, like, what can I give you, dude? Because like, yeah, because you don't speak Polish, so I can't really give you this website. And it's popular, 8 likes. She has more likes than I do. She's getting more likes than I do. So basically, like, yeah, like, what website can I? Okay, let's get back to work. I'm sorry, like, unfortunately not. It's just that I don't have laptop because I don't have a financial means for one. That's very unfortunate, my friend. So are you working on your phone? Are you talking? This is weird, actually. So, like, you know, it's really hard to make a career in IT if you can't afford if you don't have a laptop even, like any PC or machine, any computer. And the way to actually get that, because like you have a phone, so you probably chose to actually buy a phone instead of, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to like yeah. It's fun. This is fun. Dude, like, this is fun. I must say, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I don't really know how to help you, my friend. Because you need a laptop, obviously, so, like, you need someone to send you a laptop, maybe. And, yeah. Fun. Okay. Back to my chat. Yeah. Back to... I really wish you the best. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how to even get that. I don't even know how to do it. Because it's not like I don't want people to work for me. Obviously, I do want people to work for me. If you make shorts for me and you can if you make 50 shorts for me, I will send you a laptop. Yeah, if you do that, I will send you a laptop. I have an old Toshiba laptop, which is fine-ish. Needs setup, needs, I think, charger. I might need to get the charger. But I will get you a charger, and I will send you this Toshiba. And it will be actually good for programming. It will be good enough for programming. If you make... yeah, you can make shorts on your phone. Yeah, you can make shorts on your phone. Or on Canva. Yeah. Yeah, 50 shorts that I will publish. And you have to figure it out. Quite good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, dude, like this is hard for me. Because okay, maybe you are, but maybe not. So I don't know. Yeah. It's not, yeah, as I'm saying, like it's really hard to get people to work. And if they work, they will actually earn enough to buy a laptop, usually. And even in Angola. Get on my life or as a shirt and make patch it into one. I publish. Yeah, okay. Then I will talk about remaining about more work. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's really like, dude, like it's a fun, but yeah, I don't know. Like if you actually, like if you make me 50 shirts and I actually publish them and they're good, like good enough, like as on the level that I do, and I'm not doing like really advanced shirts. Then I will send you like there's this machine. There's this machine for you, waiting for you. It's a Toshiba. It's very good actually laptop. I worked on it for like 10 years, and it's still functional. And it has all the cool stickers on it. I would have to probably fix like yeah, I would have to check, but it's a good laptop still. If you make me 50 shirts, it's yours. It's yours. I will ship it to Angola. We'll see. 50 shirts and it's yours, my friend. but I need people to show me that they can work, because like there was a guy other day who said that he can do shorts for me and videos, and like he was talking about websites and stuff, and then he did one short and he disappeared. So maybe that's, you know, I need to see some commitment before I will start. And I'm actually like, I think I can. The thing is, like with this even with this YouTube, I think there's a big potential, you know. And like I also would use a video editor that I could send like video tutorials to do. I could send like yeah, I have plenty of work actually to send away. And something that doesn't really require so much knowledge, because video editing is fairly simple, especially, you know, Canva and stuff like this. It can be figured out in a couple of days. So yeah, as I'm saying, like I'm looking for people to work with me, but the thing is, like, you know, it's always a commitment, and I need to. I think like also initiative is very important, you know. So I don't want to be, you know, I don't need that much I don't need people that much that you will, you know, I have to tell them exactly what to do, because this is actually extra work, and I can tell AI what to do. You know, so that's a test for me, like, you know, if someone just based on like just what I'm publishing, and there's plenty of it now, can actually produce like bunch of shorts, I will server snipe always. Okay, so this is AI shit. If someone can produce, you know, shorts out of, you know, my live stuff, or like those normal videos, like sometimes I could even use like a short video out of that, like clips, couple of minutes of clips of normal stuff. Just, you know, take one of those, or, you know, all of them, cut them into pieces, edit me out so I'm not really, you know, I'm not saying you know too often. you know, and I'm happy. I will publish it with pride, and then and at some point, you know, when I have like 1,000 subscribers, it will start paying. Sir, this PC would really help me a lot. Yeah, good. Okay, so shorts for me, and it's yours. Yeah, cool. 50 out of my live streams. You choose what, but it has to be at least same level as my current shorts. Yeah, it needs to be at least some decent level. Okay, back to work. Sorry, like I can't really talk about this job stuff anymore. I think I have to focus on other stuff, because I really want this thing to sell, you know. And this page, start free trial. Okay, so I'm actually, am I ready? Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. Let's pay this guy $29. 29 euros, I think, sorry. So let's pay this myself. This guy called me. If I find my wallet, maybe I can't. Maybe it's not gonna happen. Let me just search for my wallet, and I'll be back in a minute. Great, I have it. So it's here. This is the wallet, and this is my card that will help me pay for my product. And you will, whoever is here, and I know there's not that many people today, but there will be. I mean, whoever can, you will actually see how I'm making money on myself, obviously. Hey there, Capstone Investor. good to see you again. You will now see how I'm actually buying my own product. So I will be my own first paying customer. Oh, actually, I need an email. Maybe not. I have this one actually. LinkedIn, come on. No. Gmail. I think I have the second email. Oh. Okay, I need to make sure that it's not registered. Let's see. Okay, let's just already have an account. Sign in. Forgot the password. Yeah, let's just see if my other account is not registered. Okay, there's some ads. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I'm live. So yeah, this one. This was some social media stuff I used to do. But I changed my things. I used to have a channel on Instagram, which was quite good. Back to login. Okay, let's see if it's going to... If it's registered. Pinterest, no, some crap. Creepy team. Okay, that's some crap. Ooh, no. Been some ads. Okay, so nothing here. I don't think I'm registered, to be honest. No. Yeah, it's probably not. Okay, let's just register as this guy. Did I? Yeah, it's always it's always a scary thing, but like it's worth actually checking. So let's do that. So I'm gonna do sign up. Yeah. Actually, test. Real. Username. Test user. Okay, and then email is this. And when we create account, it says here, after creating your account, you will select a plan and receive your login credentials via email. Start a free trial. Oh yeah, but I don't have to. Yeah, I have nears for 400 subs, and you are here. Thank you. I feel like it's. I'm actually surprised how quickly I'm growing now. You know, over the last few weeks. Yeah, like yesterday I had like most subs in 24 hours, and it was 24. So I will just not be showing you my card details. I'm sorry for that. I know you like, it would be generous of me. Although, like, even if you got my credit card numbers, then my phone would prompt me if someone wanted to spend some money. So I think it's still safe, even if I showed you, but I don't want to show you because that's kind of stupid. Yeah, but yeah, I'm happy actually. I mean, I'm happy. Yeah, okay. I think it says it's reconnecting. I don't know what's happening now. Then I'm really sorry. I'm not a charity. I'm not a charity. I'm a capitalist. Yeah, like it's like, you know, if dude, like there's like, even with phone I could probably, if it's a phone and time, I can still make money. So like, I'm not gonna be sending people laptops just because they tell me that they're poor. And you know, I wouldn't mind to help someone, but I need to see something for myself. Yeah. Start trial. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna see if this thing works. Yeah. Yeah, so I need to confirm my Sorry, on the other screen I'm actually signing up to my service, and I'm sorry because you just got disconnected as well, and so I'm confirming my credentials, that this card number is mine, and you know it's a two-factor authentication, and then I think I will be redirected to, please, where's this page? Yeah, okay, I'm redirected here, and now I should actually receive my email saying that you are actually a new user. And please do this. Please send it to me. Spam? Please don't be in spam. More Danish. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I need to check my database. Shit. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay, I might need to get some service for like emailing and stuff. Let's see. Let's see. What's the name? Okay, let's see my database actually, because that might be product backend, product planner backend. Yeah, render. Yeah, let's go to render dashboard. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, let's go here and see if we are actually. Backend product. Yes, that's the one. So we go to admin. And oh, yes, good. It remembers me. Let's see my users actually. Is the user? Oh yeah, this one is registered. But this is actually bad because I need to make a guard saying that if it's registered. Oh no, it's 12th January. Okay, so this was registered now. And is it supposed to? Yeah, it's supposed to send it to this email. And it didn't send it. Shit. How can I actually know that it's... let's go to Stripe. Oh, actually, let's go to logs. Maybe my logs will tell me. Get. Okay. Admin. Change form widget. Okay, no, it doesn't tell me anything like that. Okay, that was just now. Probably that's different time zone. This is weird. Because I was testing that and it would send me credentials. Password. Good. Okay, I don't know if I can show that stuff. Let's hide it for now. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it doesn't send it. Let's go to Stripe and see if this event has been registered. And let's wear some glasses because I think I look much cooler then. And see some subscriptions. We are in Sandbox. Exit Sandbox. Okay, subscriptions. Active. Cancels 5th. Yeah, there was plenty test ones. And active scheduled. Cancelled. We can see through your glasses. Yeah, okay. Like you can see my eyes or what? Or you can read passwords on my screen. Let me see. Okay, let me just see it. Yeah, you can see my screen. Yeah, you can see through your glasses. Yeah, maybe. Okay. I hope nothing scary is there. I mean screen. Yeah, but I don't think you can see much. Yeah, I don't know what the guy is thanking me for, but that's fine. With tax turned off. Reports, no subscriptions. Oh. Does my... Okay, I have like... Did I just sign up multiple? Okay, so probably I did that many times. Where's the one that I just registered now? No. 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 That's clocks. Migrations. Balances. Top-ups. All activities. Yeah, this is a hard one. Because the confirmation was not sent to my email. The user has been created according to my database, my backend. So it's no, it was admin. Yeah, and is it this one? That's not the one, is it? That's not the one, but that was just on. No, admin. And not this, yeah. User. Subscriptions. Okay, maybe it's... Yeah, okay, this one is... Cancel at period end. Grasses, no, they're just like cheap ones. They're not Ray-Bans. No, my wife has Ray-Bans. I have just the cheaper. I have like different brands, but these are just like cheap. I don't know, from the internet. I just needed them for some photos, so I bought them like many years ago. No Ray-Bans in this case. Okay, status trial. Subscription ID. Current period, cancel at period end. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we signed this one up, but the email has not been delivered. And what's... Trial monthly. Match test. I wonder if maybe there is the username mistaken. No? What should I do then? I should probably try to cancel it on Stripe. Because I don't need to pay for... Or maybe I should. Customers. Yeah, this one. I should actually cancel it. Let's create subscription. Let me just take this to the other screen. Just in case. Find another product. Duration. Create subscription. Automatically change payment. Yeah, okay, let's change this. Show preview. View or update details. Shit, like how do I cancel this? Delete customer. Yeah, okay. Deleting the selected customer. Okay, so I deleted. Why? Am I deleted now? I'm doing this, stuff that I'm not sure on the other screen. Create subscription. I don't know. Yeah, it should delete it. Doesn't. This will permanently remove the customer's billing information and immediately cancel any current subscription. Past payments. So I'm actually trying to cancel my subscription here. Past payments and the invoices associated with customer will still remain. This action cannot be undone. Yeah, okay. Let's do it. I think I just tried doing it. What is wrong? Basically, like, I signed up my with my debit card here. We have like 90 characters for exam, and they still ask out the syllabus in chapters. Yeah, okay. So what are you studying actually? Yeah, there was some math or physics. Okay, what is wrong? To Ludwig Speller. To answer your question, I'm testing my sign up flow with payments. I actually did all the. I signed up with a payment. But the thing is, like, my email didn't receive Gmail. My email service didn't say have been deleted. Okay, view deleted customers. Okay, so I deleted the customer, which is good, it's informing me. But on this email, I should actually receive like a confirmation of username and password. And I've been testing it many times and it was actually sending it. But in this case, it didn't. And that's shit. That's very shit in my opinion. Because I don't really know why. I might need to change my emailing service. That might be a thing I might do actually next. Because let me see actually. Because I think I actually set up this email service here. And this is something I will have to serve. So basically I'm using this SSL here to send emails. Yeah. Oh, this is SSL. No, I'm using just emailing system, which is this is like a server for your website. It's Polish server, so don't worry if you don't know it. Like, you don't have to. But basically, I've got here some emails, and one is this one, which is actually sending emails. I'm studying GEE, which is over 2 levels in level 1 and have like 16 lakh students, but I don't know what are LAKKH 2 level or even after it. Only 18k are selected. Basically an engineering entrance exam. Okay, yeah, it sounds like very hard stuff. And probably it's something that you think you really need to become engineer, yes? Okay, we don't have that. Let me just detailed instructions for configuration. Yeah, I'm not saying that it's not a way towards engineering or towards programming. You can do it without studies, I think. And then, like, if I was actually whatever your age, I would not go to university for sure. I would not go to university again. I did university obviously, but I would not go again. Okay. Let's just log in here, can I? This is my email link service, so I do have that pop-up and whatever. And this is set up to actually email things to the other account. Okay, let's just do that. This one. And let's just check this email. What was the emails? Aliases, spam, list accounts, create. Okay, so I need to go to other place, I'm guessing. Log out. I have this other service, which is emailing service. Mailer panel, I think it's called. And I probably put this. Yeah, and maybe this, and maybe this. No? Huh. Okay, I was sure that this is it, or maybe there's some other mailing system. Oh, Cloud Mail. Okay, probably this one. Yeah? Okay, yes. Yeah, just I don't really care. For now, I will do two-factor. This one. Okay, this is sent. Yeah, it doesn't register that. No, it's not registering that. So it's using this email service, but it's not. Yeah, good luck with your studies. Yeah, okay, so this service doesn't seem to, this just uses. Okay, I need to figure something out else, because I don't really know if the emails are sent, and probably I have to know that. And in one hand, I have an account on I have it here in Stripe, but then I don't want to have a customer complaining that he didn't really receive email. Let's delete those, except this one. Yeah, I think they're all test accounts. Okay, let's just delete them. Transactions. Okay, payouts. All activity. Okay, balance. Okay, I think we need to go back to drawing board, and at least with the email service. Yeah, okay, good. You deleted all of them. Good. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I don't need them. Fuck them all. Sorry. I promise not to swear too much, but yeah, so here we didn't receive the email. Shit. This kind of sucks because this was sort of working. Yeah, I don't know what's this. And yeah. But this is for test, isn't it? This is not from today. Yeah, 24th of December. Yeah, so I think my emailing system is not up to speed. Although I was testing it before, so it was kind of working. And this time it doesn't seem to be, which is not very good news to me. Because I thought it's actually I thought this is solved. Oh, maybe. Okay. Maybe because I did redirection. I did redirect. And would it? Okay, let's just see if my email address works at all. Like this email at office@planero, office@planero.eu. Hello test. Yeah, okay, let's send it to this email. I think it should forward it to my other Gmail. Okay, maybe I know why. Maybe I know why, because I redirected this thing to the other server. I redirected my domain. Okay, this one is working. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Let's figure it out. Yeah, I think I know what to do. This is good news, because I thought it's fucked. And it's not that bad, because yesterday, just because I couldn't set up a domain and some other stuff, I bought another domain, which is my main one now, and I like it more even. It's home.pl. So I bought it here on the another server. I have too many servers. So let's go to my panel, and let's log in. I will have to leave in 15 minutes because I have my daughter is on scout session. She's a scout, lovely scout girl. Okay, but then, so we just create a new one here. Oh no, not here. Add, and we just choose not this one. Do we have like? Yeah, because we have this free. Okay, because we have domains. Do I have only email for? That's okay. I might need to buy another one. Shit, another service, emailing service. For this domain, is it? Planner online. Okay. Yeah, these are some certificates and www hosting emails. Okay, can I set up email accounts? Yeah, let's create one. Oh, that's FTP. Okay, I might need to buy a server. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. How do I buy like a service for emailing service? Okay, so probably. Okay, this is activated, isn't it? Maybe I should just do it from other domain. Okay. Let's see if I can assign this to. What about this one? Can I assign it to? No, subdomain. No, I don't need that. This one is. Okay, no. See account. What's in account? Sorry, the day was long. Although I will probably be working in the evening, right? So so probably the server is assigned to different domain. That's probably what. Yeah. Can I change it? Yeah, let's just assign it to this one. Skrót kodu przypisany do tej domeny, znajdując się lokację domeny. Okay, yeah, probably. Maybe oil. No, no. Maybe I need to buy another server or something. Oh, that's not favorite thing. Yeah. Okay, let's just try this. I will be, yeah, just this one. Yeah, I have to figure out how to actually set up this email because this is it's not that hard. Although maybe I'll do it as a pixels in logic because I have a, or maybe I will not redirect this to, or maybe I will not redirect planner EU, and I think that's gonna be okay. So let's just stop redirecting it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, I think I know what to do. Unfortunately, redirect here. Yeah, okay. Let's try that. Is it? Yeah, okay. It's kinda hard stuff. It's kinda hard even for me, and I don't know. Like, it's obviously not like I'm some sort of like a brilliant guy, like super brilliant guy, but this is this is something I've actually solved multiple times, but like not to this level. But this is fun. Like this process is so cool. Like I must say, process of, you know, creating your own SaaS is so challenging, you know, because like I just realized, okay, you just buy a domain and it just messes up your emailing service, and there's just like so much you have to figure out yourself, you know. It's actually fun because once you figure it out, like you actually have like almost superpower because you can create something that people might be able to buy, you know. And yeah, I know, like I know I never actually had to go to this lengths to sell my products. I wouldn't have to sell it myself. Like I would have a client that I would build something to, and I would have like a designer that would make stuff for me, and then I would be programming it, and sometimes I wouldn't have to even do any backend because I was usually front-end developer, or maybe I would do some minimal backend, and then I wouldn't really have to worry about selling it because there were some other guys there, and there was someone else to actually make sure that the emails would work, and then there would be another person to actually make sure that the analytics are working, and then here it's all me. And it's actually so fun, you know, like and you can actually watch me struggling here, and it's not always easy, and it's like, and me trying to actually save money here and there because I just have a server and I want to use it. This actually makes it even like harder because like sometimes in corporation you don't have to worry too much. Like you have a service that is set up and you don't need to worry too much, you know. It's just like yeah, okay, yeah, let's just use this. So yeah, here it's me, you know, and if I mess up, then you know it's not working for my clients, and that's kind of hard, you know. Yeah, let's just change this one so my email works again. And the page will be Planner EU that you will be sent email from. I hope people won't mind it too much, you know, but this was actually working, so I should actually keep it, you know. And okay, so let's just try to email something to my other. Yeah, I can do it here. Office at Planner EU. Yeah, that's the one. Yes. Again, please work. So yeah, The beauty of a corporation is you don't have to do much. You just have to do your small bit and be pretty good at it. And the beauty of your own product is you do everything. And there's no one to actually blame on it, or like say that he didn't deliver. So, you know, because he didn't deliver, I didn't deliver. Because there's 50 guys to blame. There's 50 people on the way to actually you could blame, and that something didn't work. And in this case, it's only you. You can only blame yourself. And if it doesn't work, then you have to figure it out. But then maybe it's better actually. Like why? Like I absolutely hate it. You know, I think like one of the things I hated in corporations was that yeah, there was always someone to blame and to push the blame on, and the product wouldn't be finished. I could just, you know, forget about it. I would still get paid, but you know, the company was making so much money that it wasn't making too much difference if the app wouldn't be available for next 3 months. You know, they had some other products, but like here that's not the case. You know, like you have to do it yourself. Maybe that's cool. Let's try from here. Office. Uploader EU. Test again. Please work. Yeah, let's send again. Yeah. So here we have it sent. So maybe I just messed up my my emailing service yesterday. This one here. This one, okay. Yeah. So this, yeah, I probably messed it up yesterday. When I changed the domains and stuff, like it just it stopped working. So now I just have to fix my emailing service, and that's gonna be. But that's good that I tested. Today I basically tested it with real with real card numbers and stuff. So, and it turned out it didn't work. So it's good I tested myself, because then I would have a client. It's better than I didn't, like it didn't work for me. Then if client came and tried to use it, and then the first thing like, why my service doesn't work? Yeah, so I think like I will have to finish for now, because my daughter is on the scout meeting. I have to pick her up. But I think like that's a topic I will. But the thing is like the cool thing about it, it's not that hard, because I've already set it up before. I should be able to do it again. Although I just have to. That's another session. Back to emails. I will call it back to emails. Emails again. Emails broken again, and email confirmation not working. See you later. Thanks for coming, and yeah, I'll be back later maybe, or tomorrow. I'll be back here quite often, because this is my life now, and hopefully this will pay for my life as well. Cheers. See you around.